Question number one. Is the Taraweeh prayer a sunnah or is it a fard? Can a person miss it?
As far as the question is concerned, that is Taraweeh or is Qiyamul Layl during Ramadan, is it fard or is it a sunnah? As we discussed earlier, our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of Taraweeh, hadith number 2012, and it gives how Muhammad ﷺ offered in the mosque Qiyamul Layl during Ramadan, and people joined him. The next day the news spread, and when he came the next day the full mosque was filled. The third day it was overflowing, and fourth day, purposely, though the mosque was overflowing, he did not come out for Qiyamul Layl, for the Taraweeh, which people call. And when he came for the Fajr Salah, he said, not that he did not know that people were waiting for me, but a purpose he didn't come because I didn't want offering the Qiyamul Layl in Ramadan is a fard. So from this hadith we come to know that it is not a fard. But the other hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of Taraweeh, hadith number 2009, the beloved Prophet said that anyone who offers the night prayer in Ramadan with the belief and seeking Allah's reward, all his past sins will be forgiven. So based on this, we come to know, though it's not a fard, it's a very important sunnah. It's sunnat-e-mu'akkadah. That means a very highly recommended sunnah of the Prophet. Though it's not a fard, it's sunnat-e-mu'akkadah, very highly recommended sunnah.